In my last video, we talked about well-formed formulas. Okay, so let's look at a couple of these. Let's look at A or not A, and also A and not A. So let's construct the truth tables. So A could be true or false. That means not A would be false here and would be true here. A or not A, and A, and, this is and, not A. So remember with or, only one of these needs to be true for the entire expression to be true. So that's true. So we have true or false. So this is true. And false or true is also true. When we have and, then everything needs to be true. So true and false is false. False and true is also false. So a well-formed formula that is always true is called a tautology. This is right here. So this expression is a tautology. And you can have larger expressions, we'll see some later, but you can have much more complicated expressions that for every conceivable combination of the different things that we're looking at, if it always ends up in true, no matter what combination you choose, then it's a tautology. What about the other one? So well-formed formula is always false is a contradiction. And this is right here. It says it doesn't matter what values of A and not A you put into it. This is always going to work out to be false. And just like with tautologies, there can be larger expressions that still some always end up with false no matter what you choose to do with them. Okay? So we need to know these.